Okay friends, so this is my old room. This is the new bedspread I'm going to be using. I got it at TJ Maxx. Here's what it looks like from the front, and this is what it'll look like on the bed. I have to get a new bed skirt because the one I have now is blue, which does not match the pink bedspread I got. If you ask me, it clashes a bit. So there's that. And I also got some curtains from TJ Maxx. So here's the curtains I got to go with the bedspread. I think that it will tie in really well with my walls. My walls are actually brown at the moment. They were only $17 from TJ Maxx as well, and it comes with 2 curtains, so I bought 2 packs. So they're kind of similar to the style I have now, only the design is different. And so I bought 2 because I have 2 windows in my room. And I also have to get some new lights because these ones are red, and I just don't think red and pink go together, so I'm gonna try to find some white ones when I go shopping. This is my bunny that I've had since I was an infant. Somebody got him for me when I was a newborn, and I've had him ever since, and I love him so much, so that's why I keep him on my bed. And I know it sounds cheesy and he's really dirty, but he means the world to me, so he stays there, and that's where he lives. So I think that the room makeover is going to be quite a nice change. Yeah, the guitars and stuff.
This, when we're ready for it, we can just move it down.
Yeah.
So we can have just enough room to get in and out of the door.
I gotta take this chair out of here too. What happened?
It came apart. It's not broke or nothing. Just.
Oh. Well, should we take off the mattress?
Put these on your dresser.
What are these for? Hola! Today is Monday, August 13th or 14th, I don't know, as usual. But I figured I would do a little vlogging. I am currently at my nail salon, and I am about 40 minutes early because I was gonna go do some room shopping for my room. I want to get like some decor, some new decor, because I haven't had any new decor in years, literally. And so I'm thinking of getting a new lamp and like maybe a couple things to hang up on my walls. Well, I want to get like two new nightstands, one for either side of my bed. My bed used to be up against my wall, but it's not anymore. So that's the plan. And after I get my nails done, I'm going to go do that. I was going to go before, but there was so much traffic. Had to take the long way around. I basically did a giant circle around Canton, Ohio. So now I decided that I didn't want to be late to my nail appointment, so I just got here super early, and I'd rather be super early than late. And so I will update you all after that. Can't take my mom anywhere. She just knocked a bed skirt on the floor and then said, I almost kicked it out of the way. Looking for a bed skirt. This would be great. What is it? Hold on, I don't want to knock anything over. I can hang this on my wall.
I love it. I mean, I
Wall Street, baby.
I love it.
Jay. I just want to lay in bed and watch Dexter. But here's the progress. I rearranged. I put my bed in a different spot and my dresser, and that's pretty much all I moved so far. I put my new curtains up. This has to be dealt with. So I'm gonna do that now. Wish me luck.
You said someone with your special husband. I don't typically start to talk to you guys.
I believe with it.
You can meet him tonight. 9 o'clock on the Hilton.
I'll be there.
Alrighty, friends. So I've got my new bedspread on. And I'm actually very, very happy with it. I think the pillow I got yesterday, which is this big one right here in the center, and this tray from Home Goods yesterday. These are from TJ Maxx. I bought them a little while back. So this and this pillow here are my most recent purchases for my room. Tonight, I'm thinking about going and getting a new nightstand. Because this one's just a little bit outdated. I've had it forever. It was my parents' before it was mine. And this cover gets wrinkled all the time. And then I got my new curtains up, which I really didn't show off too much. So here's a little view of that. There's the first one. And then my second window, which I have opened up. That's probably why it's so hot in here, because my room gets really hot in the summer and really cold in the winter. And I always blamed these two windows here for that. So yeah, so next I'm gonna do a little redecorating with this area right here, this corner. So I will insert some footage of that. Fun fact about that ladder is it actually used to be the ladder from my swing set when I was a kid, and the broken rung right there, the second one down, is hilarious because the swing set was so old that it started to rot and the wood started to, like, you know, be unsafe to climb on, and that's proof right there that it was time to tear the swing set down. But my mom decided to keep the ladder, and she used it for decoration downstairs in our living room, but I stole it from her, so it's really cute. What I just did, I got this idea off of Tumblr, I believe. This girl had this little idea in her room. So my plan is to hang some lights on this and, you know, just give it a bit more pizzazz. I kind of want this to be the centerpiece of my room, and then I have an Audrey Hepburn poster I want to hang on this wall right here. So there's still a few things. I obviously still need a bed skirt. Blue and pink really clash, at least that shade of blue. But I'm really happy with how it's turning out so far. Oh my friends, I think I have become a Home Goods junkie. Oof, I really need to hide those cords. But I went back to Home Goods today and bought this nightstand. It's really, really pretty. I absolutely love it. It's got really nice drawers, which is great for storage. I mean, it is just, love it so much. think it's my new favorite part of my room. So, friends, well, that concludes my room redo video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I hope that you will watch my next video. Check out my other videos as well, and look forward to doing another video in the future of my room where I do like an updated tour, and hopefully that will include some fall decor. So I'm planning on having that up in October, and I will see you all in my next video. But for now, I'm gonna watch some Netflix and go to bed. So, adios.
Entiende que yo sigo extrañándote a cada instante, en todo momento. Entiende que yo sigo